Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating variables. Remove any external mice and USB devices, then fully power cycle the laptop to clear transient states. Once done, make sure you note the OS build and the installed touchpad driver name. You'll need that for matching updates. Next, open Settings and navigate to the touchpad panel to confirm it's enabled. Toggle it off and on to test immediate response. If no change, proceed to driver-level fixes described next. You now focus on software. Open Device Manager, locate the touchpad device, then try Update Driver. If a recent update caused the freeze, use Rollback. Once that's attempted, run the built-in hardware troubleshooter or your laptop maker's diagnostic utility to surface driver conflicts. Make sure to check BIOS or UEFI. Some systems offer touchpad modes, advanced versus basic. Switch modes and save changes. If the driver reinstalls, you finish by performing a clean reinstall. Uninstall the touchpad device in Device Manager, check the option to delete driver files, then reboot so Windows reinstalls a fresh driver. Once rebooted, test function in safe mode to rule out third-party software interference. Use an external USB mouse to confirm whether the issue is driver or hardware. If problems continue, update BIOS/UEFI and firmware. Key troubleshooting tip. If touchpad still fails after clean installs and BIOS updates, suspect a hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.